स्वागत है आपका रिक्वेस्ट वाले शो में, जहां पे आज का एपिसोड होने वाला है बहुत ही खास, क्योंकि इनके गाने हैं सब जगह बिक रहा है, इनके अलावा हमें कोई नहीं देख रहा. प्लीज गिव इट अप फॉर द वेरी टैलेंटेड लीजा मिश्रा.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Well, thank you for coming to this show. We are very, very excited to have you. And right off the bat, I want to talk to you about your latest song, right?
Teri Hoon.
Teri Hoon is out there and
Yeah.
it is looking beautiful. It's
Thank you
looking
so
like
much.
it's a tribute to like सारे की सारे प्यार भरे नगमे, प्यार भरे
Yeah.
गाने. Tell me about this song.
Yeah, I think एक female ballad काफ़ी दिनों से आया नहीं है इंडस्ट्री में, and I was really like, you know, there's so many great male ballads. We're seeing so many big male love songs, but we're hiding our feelings as
Right.
girls. Like, why are we not making big, beautiful, passionate love songs?
Correct.
और मुझे एक सोलो गाना भी बनाना था इस genre में, and yeah, that was sort of the reason behind this. Is I grew up listening to bands like Coldplay and, you know, artists like Avril Lavigne. In सब के गाने में there's this whole, you know, it's a very passionate,
Right.
deep sort of love that they're always expressing. And then of course I've been lucky क्योंकि मैंने विशाल मिश्रा के साथ भी काम किया है, and I know India में इतने सारे अच्छे ballads हम बनाते हैं.
Correct.
But yeah, I just wanted to make a solo female, really intense love song.
That is so sweet. So tell me what went into the making of this song, like when you were thinking about it, when you were thinking about the concept, how did you come up with everything that you've just done?
I was just on a series called Royals, and in that I have a really beautiful love story. So I think मैं उस mood में आ गई थी कि इसके बारे में कुछ लिखते हैं, इस love story के बारे में कुछ लिखते हैं, and you know, I was very inspired by the role that I played as Nikki on Royals, and in a way, I think in my brain I've dedicated this song to that love story.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, क्योंकि unfortunately मैं single हूँ, तो मेरा कोई है नहीं, तो
Right.
किसी के बारे में मैं लिख नहीं पाऊँगी. So I was like, let me dedicate it to my character.
Sweet.
And yeah, that was sort of the reason. I was in this mood and I was in this space. और show anyways release होने वाला था, so I was like, why not write a song now?
This is the time.
Yeah, this is the time when I'm feeling the inspiration.
Correct. Fair enough. What went into the making of this song? मतलब when you were recording it, tell me that was this moment where you were like, हाँ यार ये बहुत sweet हो गया है,
Yeah.
ये बहुत बढ़िया हो गया है.
Actually, just recording के दिन पे I was very, very tired, and I mean, I think हम 6-7 घंटे record कर रहे थे, और कुछ I was not feeling inspired on that day. जब मैंने ये गाना compose किया था, I made it with really, really respected, amazing collaborators of mine, Sid Bhosle, Bhumi, and the boys of Never Sober. But I was feeling stuck. Recording के टाइम पे कि कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, इसमें passion नहीं आ रही है. So I went home, I took a nap, and after 2 hours of sleep I came back into the studio and I changed the ending of the song. जिसमें जो बहुत बड़ा lift है ना ending में.
Correct.
I slept, I woke up and I had a new ending of the song.
Fantastic.
So then I came back into the studio and I recorded that, and I felt so happy and proud of the way that the song grew. And of course the instruments and everything are live fully.
Oh wow.
इस गाने में कुछ भी, you know, artificial instrumentation नहीं है, production इतना कुछ नहीं है. Every single instrument is real. Like
Wow.
usually when we're in the studio, we make synths out of the computer.
Correct.
And we use, you know, electric piano and things that are just ऐसे कंप्यूटर पे हम बैठ के samples use करते हैं.
Correct.
Every single instrument was real and in the studio.
Wow.
So it was
That's
really,
fantastic.
yeah, it was amazing to record a live band.
Correct.
And release the song like that.
ऐसा लगा आपको कि मतलब you know this is like a jamming session that's going
Exactly, क्योंकि एक ज़माने में ऐसे ही गाने बनाते थे हम.
Correct.
And I was like, let's bring that back. Let's bring live music back.
Fantastic.
And only use production in the end. थोड़ा जैसे ornamentation के लिए use करते हैं, ऊपर से.
Correct.
But the meat of the song should be real and organic.
Correct. Yeah. So Lisa, this song looks beautiful. It looks divine. What went into the shooting experience? Tell me about it. Conceptualization से लेकर जब आप shoot कर रहे थे उस time पे, something that really made you happy while doing it, or something that
Yeah.
stuck out to you.
I wanted this song to look tender and beautiful because मुझे एक ethereal feeling
Correct.
मैं उसकी खोज में थी, because I was like, I want to make a music video that looks like a dream
Correct.
and feels like a dream and so soft and passionate and pretty. And I only had one person in mind to direct this. and he was the DOP from Call Me Bay.
Okay.
So when I had shot with Anuj Samdani, I kept it in mind कि ये बहुत lighting का बहुत अच्छा use करते हैं. So I want certain elements of that in this music video, and thankfully he agreed to make this beautiful video with us. And उन्होंने 7 sets design किए थे, and it's insane.
Yeah, that's a lot.
He was told to make like 2-3 things, and I came into the set and he had 7 sets for me.
Wow.
Yeah, and I mean, he's a genius, and the video looks as good as it does because of him. And one of my dancers I use in my live shows, Isha Sawant, is in the music video with me as well. So she's doing these beautiful contemporary dances. Curtains है, उसके पीछे वो नाच रही है, and पानी में मैं ऐसे डूब रही हूँ. So it's also very pretty and know feminine.
Correct.
So that's what I wanted. I wanted like a pure love story told from a woman's perspective, and video भी match करना चाहिए इस energy को.
How difficult was it पानी में shoot करना, like?
It's cold. No matter how warm the water is in the beginning, it gets very cold. By the time that you're just, you're like just sitting there for 1 hour, 2 hours.
And you're like, khatam karo isko.
Yeah. And you're just shivering the whole time.
Oh, damn. What was the most difficult moment and what was the most fun moment?
The most difficult moment was the water scene, because उस tank को fill up करने में बहुत time लगता है.
Okay.
And you have to make sure कि कहीं से थोड़ा भी फट जाए ना side से, तो then all the water will leak everywhere. So yeah, we had to be very, very careful about all of these things. But it was the most satisfying part of the shoot, क्योंकि हमने real lily pads use किए हैं and real flowers. So these things are just floating and there's real smoke, and so we created this dream state
sequence. Yeah, correct.
And it just felt very cool. You know, like in Om Shanti Om, when they have the dream sequences in movies.
Doom Dana.
Yeah, exactly. And they're in the clouds and floating around. I wanted something like that.
Nice, sweet. Well, this song is looking divine. It's looking beautiful, and we wish you all the best for the song. May it reach all the success. सबके playlist पे बस यही गाना बजे. So Lisa, let's talk about your journey, right? We want to know more about you. What I know about you is कि ओडिशा से you सीधे went to Chicago, और फिर Chicago से आप वापस आ गए इंडिया. But इसमें आपकी म्यूजिकल जर्नी कैसे डेवलप हुई, कैसे आप इतनी बड़ी म्यूजिशियन बनी? टेल अस ऑल अबाउट इट.
ऑब्वियसली मैं जब यूएस में थी, हम बहुत सारे धर्मा और वाईआरएफ की फिल्म्स देखते थे, एंड वी वर एडिक्टेड टू शाहरुख खान. And he was every NRI's first love. Correct. Was Shahrukh, and that's all we listened to. All the romantic songs, 90s और 2000s के सब गाने हम सुनते थे. और उसमें भी A.R. रहमान सर और इस्माइल दरबार सर, उनके गाने भी बहुत सुनते थे, because ताल, हम दिल ले चुके सनम, साथिया, all these amazing films, Devdas, all these were coming out. So I was raised in that.
Wow.
Of course हम US में रहते थे, but for some reason I was listening to Indian music the whole time.
Wow.
So I think somewhere I've always wanted to do this. और जब भी मैं गाना गाती थी, I think mispronunciation के issues थे definitely, क्योंकि हम हिंदी में बात नहीं करते थे घर पे. But I was like, I want to learn, even if I'm not saying the right words. I like the songs.
Correct.
Yeah.
So were you like this kid in the school who would always be on the stage with the mic singing a song?
Yes,
and like were you like everybody's favorite, like annual function में तो लीजा ही गाना गाएगी?
Every time quarterly functions होते थे हमारे, और हर एक फंक्शन में मेरा एक सोलो था, second standard से. And I think everybody was annoyed by the time that we were done and graduating school. They were like, ये तो 6 साल से हम सुन रहे हैं यार.
मतलब यही
एक ही गाएगी.
But were there other things that you were also pursuing? Like, did you professionally at that point in time, were you learning music, or how was it?
No, I wasn't. मैं fully self-taught हूँ.
Wow.
Actually, क्योंकि I have an issue with attention, so मुझे पढ़ाई करना, प्रैक्टिस करना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. मैं उनमें से नहीं हूँ जो रियाज करते हैं हर रोज. My method of रियाज is different.
Correct.
मैं एक गाना 100 बार सुनूंगी और परफेक्ट करूंगी एक गाने को.
Wow.
पर उसमें खुद के टेक्निक्स यूज करती हूँ, because I didn't learn them formally.
Wow.
So I just was interested in music. I've always loved music, and ऐसे सुन के मैंने सीखा सब.
And then how did you pivot to Bollywood? I mean, it's a long journey from US to India.
Yeah. I think that came because जब मैं 13 साल की थी, I started making YouTube videos, and मम्मी की परमिशन के साथ, she was like, you can start putting up videos, पर चेहरा मत दिखाओ, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं कि ये कहाँ जाने वाला है, कौन देखेगा.
Of course.
And I was so young, so she said you can put your voice but और कुछ एक image डाल दो. So पहले 3-4 साल के लिए और एक image के साथ मेरा
वो sunrise के पीछे girl is jumping in the
एक slideshow जैसा PowerPoint presentation. और and I did that for 3-4 years. Then I started posting these videos of me playing guitar and singing. Again, I taught myself that. And काफ़ी साल बाद, 11 साल बाद, and it took a long time, I was discovered by Bollywood. Because that's what it takes. You just have to keep going.
You want to tell us about this exact instance because I've read about it, but I want to hear it from your mouth.
Yeah. It's pretty magical. I think अभी भी मुझे ऐसे सपना जैसा लगता है कि I'm here sitting next to you and doing this for Zoom. It's all a dream for me because मैं घर पे बैठ के videos बनाती थी YouTube पे. And one of those videos was a cover of Tarifa.
Correct.
And the song had just released. And originally that song was sung by Badshah and composed by Karan. And उसमें मैं थी नहीं. And the producers of the film, Riya Kapoor and Ekta Kapoor, saw this video. And उन्होंने सबको दिखाया, cast and crew को. And when I woke up the next morning, everybody in the film had shared the song. And I was like, हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे? And overnight, I feel like, you know, after 11 years of hard work, that moment I got recognized.
But that song is now a part of the album.
Yeah, it is. So then I came back. I mean, I came to Mumbai for the first time since I was, you know, really, really small.
Yeah.
And we made this song and we made this music video and सब cast के साथ हमने किया था एक Sonam Kapoor, Bebo, everybody, and I was like, this is not real because
but it's amazing.
It's so strange.
Like all grade A actors like tuning and moving to your music, which is fantastic. I think it's dream come true and congratulations for that. And I have to say this कि I mean, Tarifa is technically, I would want to say, like a club song.
Yeah.
You can hear it in the club, but your version can be very well a beautiful evening song. Like you can just sit in a corner watching the rains.
Yeah,
and then
that's
Tarifa.
my vibe. I was always taking, you know, the crossover that I did of that song. Tarifa ko मैंने mix किया था Justin Bieber's "Let Me Love You," which is also a club song. But मुझे हर एक गाना को गिटार पे सुनना है. So I wanted to just give it this new vibe, and luckily they saw this video, and now I'm here.
So you told me that you had a problem of mispronouncing Hindi words, right? Because you were living in Chicago, it makes sense. और हिंदी गानों से अब आज पंजाबी गाने आप गा रही हैं, गुरु रंधावा, बादशाह, and so on and so forth with everybody else. How do you learn the words?
Guys,
how do you learn the right pronunciation?
मदद मिलती है. We get a lot of help in the studio. We have the lyricist usually is with us, and वो मेरे pronunciation so correct करते हैं कि okay, you have to sing Punjabi in this way. It's written in one way, but it's pronounced in another way. So luckily, we are very blessed in Bollywood to have people in the room who tell you "ऐसे मत गाओ."
वाह क्या बात है. You've done a lot of music. You've practically done songs with almost everybody in the industry at this point in time. But you are also an actor now. You have done 2 shows. Tell me, how did that happen?
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell. I love the camera. And I think I love entertaining. So मैं बचपन से I think मैं stage पे आती थी. गाना तो definitely गाती थी, but I also used to do musical theater as a kid, and I liked performing for people. So when I moved to Mumbai, I started taking auditions within 3-4 months.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I think I always wanted to end up doing something on screen, but काफ़ी टाइम लगा क्योंकि मुझे ये accent develop करना था. I had to learn how to speak in Hindi, but I had to also learn how to speak in English with an Indian accent.
That is difficult.
क्योंकि वो सब convincingly portray करना पड़ता है screen पे. You can't just say like, I'm here now. I can't just talk like this the rest of the time. So I had to learn all of these different things, and it took us 4 years until I landed my first show, which was Call Me Bae.
Call Me Bae.
And then Touchwood, kind of immediately afterwards, we were doing Royals.
It's fantastic. So, I think the thing is that you have this rich look about you. So like
I have a rich look.
You have a rich look. So like all the shows which are like doing classy, they are
like. मैं self-made हूँ. I don't wanna.
But मैं rich लगती हूँ.
I look Amir.
You look
Not Amir, but Amir.
Fantastic. So what is more exciting right now? Like, are you looking forward to more acting projects? I know that you're doing a lot of songs.
Definitely, yeah. I definitely am looking forward to more acting projects. I think जब भी हम कुछ नया करते हैं, that interest is so high in the beginning. So it's all very exciting कि मैं set पे जाती हूँ. मेरा एक staff है, कभी नहीं था. So I'm like, wow, people are here for me. And
you have a vanity van.
Yeah, मैं bedroom पे गाने बनाती थी. So it's very weird for me that I'm on a set with Bhumi Pednekar, Ishan Khattar, Zeenata Manji, Ananya Pandey. Like, it feels very strange to be doing these things.
Right.
Because these are all such big dreams that I sometimes, every day I'm like, how am I here? मैं कैसे पहुंच गई?
पिछले जन्म के अच्छे कर्म और इस जन्म का ढेर सारा टैलेंट कुल मिलाकर
थैंक यू जी
आगे बढ़ाता है. पर I have a very interesting question for you next. Call Me Bae में आपका एक गाना भी है.
Yes.
Right? Did you charge for the song or did you charge for the for acting? दोनों?
क्योंकि मैंने गाना कंपोज भी किया है.
अच्छा.
So I co-composed it. No, oh my God. No, गाने के लिए हम चार्ज नहीं करते हैं, पर compositions के लिए definitely.
Okay.
I made this one with my best friend Rue and his brother Joe, जिन्होंने actually बहुत सारे अभी गाने बनाए हैं for Netflix shows. They did for Mismatch. They also did Royals. So one of the first projects that they did was Call Me Bae with me. So I'm very lucky that first, anyways, वो तो मेरी best friend है. And I got to make my debut on acting with my best friend as a musician. So
and then
really
you
nice.
also composed a song in this show, which also did really well.
I love that song.
It's a
nice song.
beautiful song. I have to give it to you.
Yaara Tere Bin.
Lisa, मुझे ये बताइए, what is the next big thing for you? What is it that all the people who like you, who follow you, who are fans of you, should be like looking forward to?
Yeah, definitely. I think after I composed Teri Hoon, I've caught this bug. कि मुझे सिर्फ गाने बनाने अभी ballads ही बनाने.
Okay.
So I wanna just bring this romance genre especially for female solo romance.
Yeah.
That's my new mood.
Yeah, that makes so much sense, right? क्योंकि मतलब हम लड़कों के लिए तो इतने सारे गाने हैं जिसमें हमारा दिल टूटता है तो हम वो गाने सुन सकते हैं, हमें प्यार होता है तो हम वो गाने सुन सकते हैं.
मुझे भी ऐसे चीख चिल्ला के गाना है यार.
हाँ, मतलब like I think कि for females it's very limited, right?
Yes.
Because मतलब कुछ ही हैं एक
Because
दो.
I also think that usually when women sing बहुत sweet सा मिलता है हमें एक section, 2-3 lines मिलते हैं ऐसे हाँ ख्वाबों में खो खो के गाते हैं. And I was like no, मुझे passionate love songs banane.
Correct.
So that's, I think fans of mine can look forward to that.
Yeah, because like I think this is very interesting, right? I've never thought about this before. But लड़कियों के लिए journey हमेशा वो वहाँ से start होती है कि she's looking for someone.
Yeah.
Right? But when she's fallen in love, तब तो हमें सिर्फ लड़कों के गाने मिलते हैं. तो प्यार में पड़ने के बाद जो फीमेल गेज से हमें गाने मिलेंगे वो आपकी तरफ से मिलेंगे एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. वेल अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एक्टिंग में आप हमें क्या बता सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज कमिंग नेक्स्ट?
अभी कॉल मी बे सीजन 2 हम शूट करने वाले हैं.
कॉल मी बे सीजन 2.
सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. और पिछले महीने हमने अनाउंस किया था कि सीजन 2 ऑफ रॉयल्स इज आल्सो हैपनिंग. सो बैक टू बैक आई एम एक्साइटेड टू गो बैक ऑन सेट एंड सी एवरीबॉडी एंड वर्क टुगेदर अगेन.
फैंटास्टिक.
एंड या वी विल जस्ट हैव अ ब्लास्ट. अभी के लिए इतना ही है एंड फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, lots more acting coming my way.
I really hope so. All the evil eyes must go away.
There's an evil eye here.
There, right there.
There's one here.
Ooh,
I have
fantastic.
lots of them everywhere.
सही है, बहुत बढ़िया है. ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया काम किया आपने. At this point in time, when there is so many platforms that have come up, right? You are somebody who did a lot of indie music. You've created a lot of songs by yourself. You've released a lot of songs by yourself. Do you think that we are also moving as a music industry? We are moving from patented Bollywood music to indie songs and more artists are coming up and it's...
I think COVID ke baad, that's been the trend now, is that non-film music has really come up. And some of our favorite artists right now were discovered in that 2020-21 scene mein, which is, Anuv Jain, AP Dhillon, Karan Aujla, everybody got really big in that time.
Correct.
So obviously बहुत सालों से गाने बना रहे थे, but it got discovered in that time.
Correct.
And it's given this sort of inspiration to all musicians कि आप भी कर सकते हो, घर पे बैठ के भी गाने बना सकते हो और वो सुपर हिट भी हो सकता है.
Correct.
So it's really nice. The energy of the music industry has changed. I think now everyone can make music. There's no barriers. So आपको गाना बनाना है तो बनाओ.
Fantastic. Well, final question for this segment. मुझे ये बताइए कि आज तक in your career, which is the best compliment that you've ever received?
The best compliment I've ever received just happened few
Ooh.
weeks back when Teri Hoon released from one of my favorite musicians. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़े inspiration है. Actually, most of India is inspired by him. Vishal Dadlani sent me a
Ooh.
message and he said, "This is the best song you've ever made, and be even more proud that you made it yourself."
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, Vishal Dadlani has created some amazing music, and if he's complimenting you,
I was very happy that day. I was like,
it is wonderful. It is wonderful.
मिल
I
गई
am so
भाव।
happy. Well, आपने मुझे बताया था कि आप सिंगल हैं. जितने भी लोग ये एपिसोड देख रहे हैं, जल्दी से इनके DM में मैसेज कीजिए. But eligible ones, good-looking ones, and rich. And
Yes.
talented.
And talented, and a nice passport so we can travel.
Perfect. So now you know the requisitions. If you meet it, please hit Lisa and her DMs. But having said that, as a single person, how did you feel so many emotions? Because the song is very, very emotional. It's very beautiful. So where was that inspiration coming
बहुत
from?
टीवी देखती हूँ, बहुत टीवी और बहुत सारे फिल्म्स देखती हूँ.
Okay.
So all my inspiration for everything is not real life.
Oh.
क्योंकि मेरे साथ ये कब हुआ ही नहीं है कि मैं प्यार में से डूब गई हूँ, ऐसा कि कभी हुआ नहीं है.
Okay.
So I have to take inspiration from anything I see.
जितने भी लड़के एपिसोड देख रहे हैं, जल्दी से लीसा के DM में चले जाएंगे.
I wanna drown in love.
Love it. तो मतलब काफी फिल्मी तरीके से आपने सोचा, and that's how you.
मैं बहुत फिल्मी हूँ.
Okay.
Because I grew up on films, and in our house to this day my mom and dad love Bollywood films. So शायद इससे inspiration मैंने लिए, because we grew up seeing, you know, Shah Rukh Khan romancing like the king of romance, and then it became Ranveer Singh, and then it became Ranbir Kapoor, and all these like great big actors who give you love stories. I think I get inspired by them.
Perfect. So अगर जब वी मेट की फिर से जब वी मेट 2 बन रही है और डायरेक्टर ये देख रहे हैं तो
जब we met again.
Tell me. जब we met again. Oh, that's a great title.
yeah.
You should trademark it like right now. जब we met again.
We should do this. इम्तियाज जी प्लीज मुझे कॉल कीजिए.
जब हमने काफी सारे शाउट आउट्स दे दिए
Yeah,
मतलब पहले एपिसोड में, मतलब सब जगह से आप ही को आने चाहिए.
मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं.
Manifest.
जब we met again.
Well, हमें ऑफ कैमरा पता चला है लीजा कि आपको खाना खाने का बहुत शौक है, राइट? और हमें ये तो आपने पहले ही बता दिया था कि आप हिंदी सीख रही हैं एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू बेटर इट. तो अब मेरे पास है आपके लिए एक छोटा सा गेम, राइट? मैं कुछ शब्द बोलूंगा. ओके, आपको मुझे बताना है कि उनको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, या मैं आपको इंग्लिश में बताऊंगा और आपको मुझे बताना है उसको हिंदी में.
खाने के बारे में?
खाने के बारे में.
ओके, अमेजिंग.
ओके, खाने के बारे में. लेट्स स्टार्ट सिंपल. ऑलराइट, व्हाट आर शैलड्स?
छोटे प्याज.
You are the only person who's got that right on request वाला show. I am so proud of you. Great. इलायची को क्या बोलते हैं?
Oh, इलायची is cardamom.
Correct. Very good. लौंग को क्या बोलते हैं?
लौंग को बोलते हैं clove.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. अजवाइन को क्या बोलते हैं?
My least favorite thing on earth. That's what it's called.
फिर भी try.
Ajwain is, I don't know what it's called in
What is this game called where there is a
carom.
carom seeds?
Carom seeds.
Carom
I'm
seeds.
bad at carom also, so makes sense.
Makes sense. Fantastic. Okay. दालचीनी को क्या बोलते हैं?
दालचीनी cinnamon.
Correct. तेज पत्ता.
तेज पत्ता is bay leaf.
Correct.
No, तेज पत्ता is curry leaf.
Bay leaf.
Bay leaf. Okay, तो okay, हाँ सही था.
Bay leaf. आप तो सही बोल रही हैं फिर.
कड़ी पत्ता is curry leaf.
Yeah. जीरा.
Jeera is, I was like, jeera is jeera. Jeera is cumin.
Correct. Wow, you're good. Hing.
Hing is, it's not a Ajinomoto. It's
No.
hing is, it's a plant actually. What do we say?
ये चलो finally one wrong
What is
answer.
it? Fenugreek or something?
No. Try.
Hing. I have no idea. You tell me.
Asafoetida.
Asafoetida. Yeah.
Asafoetida is the right answer. सौंफ को क्या बोलते हैं?
Sauf is fennel.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. मेथी दाना.
Methi is, I don't know. In English, what is methi?
Finally, I am just like I have.
You're
to think
breaking
so
me.
hard.
You're like, what is she gonna say wrong?
Yeah.
Methi is what?
You said it.
Fenugreek.
Correct.
Yeah.
Fenugreek seeds.
Why did I forget that? Yeah, I knew that.
Of course you knew that. Super smart. Well, exceedingly well done.
Not
like,
bad.
Great.
It was like 9 on 10.
It was a 10 on 10, I would say. Like the minute you got shallots, I'm like, done.
छोटे-छोटे
She's
प्याज।
quantity में, छोटे-छोटे। बड़े-बड़े शहरों के छोटे-छोटे
छोटे
प्याज। Fantastic. Well, exceedingly well done. इसी बात पे हमें बता दीजिए कि अगर आपको बताना पड़े हमें कि you know your genre of singing or your songs, if they could be defined as a dish, what dish would it be?
Oh, my songs are deep and robust. तो एक mutton rogan josh. Deep and rich and flavorful.
घड़ी में बज गए हैं जो भी बजे हैं भूख लग रही है but okay and if you were to define your personality as a food item what would it be?
Chaat.
Chaat?
Yeah, in Odisha we have something called dahi vada.
Huh.
Dahi vada is the chaat I would describe myself as.
dahi vada chaat.
Yes, it's like chatpata and a little sour, a little salty and a little spicy, so that's me.
Fantastic. And if you were to
And
define
apparently not sweet.
you are very sweet, come on. Final question, if you were to define your characters that you've played as a dish, what would it be?
Oh, okay. My characters are both very serious and like high achieving, powerful women. So I think long. क्योंकि कभी-कभी जो बिरयानी में मिल जाता है, people want to take it out. It's
वो
too
इलायची
strong.
होती है।
No, but it's also long. People find cloves, and it's like it's too powerful. So sometimes it's that.
No, I think you could be like, if I were to define your characters and if I were thinking, like you would be like a kadak chai.
Oh, I agree with that because
Yeah.
kadak chai is something you actually want.
Correct. You want it, it's very, very important, but at the same time, when you have it, you feel comforted.
Okay,
So-
that's a great. Thank you very much.
Next time somebody asks you,
I've given myself long. निकालो मुझे बिरयानी से.
No, you have to be a part of it, na?
That's
So,
right.
कड़क चाय. Well, लीजा, हमें पता चला है, मतलब हमें इस बात का यकीन है कि आप बहुत बढ़िया गायिका है और साथ ही साथ आप बहुत अच्छी अदाकारा है. मीनिंग टू से कि आप बहुत बड़ी सिंगर हैं और बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्टिंग भी करती हैं. तो अब हम दोनों स्किल्स को टेस्ट करने वाले हैं. ओके. सो बेसिकली हम टेस्ट करेंगे आपके सॉन्ग्स की नॉलेज को. मेरे पास है कुछ क्यू कार्ड्स. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आप ये क्यू कार्ड उठा के अपने सर पे रखेंगे. आई गिव यू सम हिंट्स. इसमें दिया हुआ है एक शब्द. उस शब्द से आपको मुझे गाने का एक नाम बताना है. एज सिंपल एज दैट. आर यू रेडी?
Let's see.
ओके, सो ये रहे आपके कार्ड्स, ये रहे मेरे कार्ड्स.
एक-एक करके.
एक-एक करके करते हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है, चलिए. ओके, टीनेज.
Dream, teenage dream. Oh, teenage.
हिंदी.
हिंदी में जवानी.
करेक्ट.
Okay.
स्पॉट ऑन.
Okay.
क्रेजी. गाना तो बताइए.
Oh, ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Perfect, wonderful, well done. Okay.
Okay, this is easy. Water.
पानी. मैं पानी हो गई.
Yeah, is what I would have said too.
Yeah.
Well done.
Okay, done. This is the song जिसमें दीपिका पादुकोण की एंट्री होती है ओम शांति ओम में ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. ये मूवी
मैं अगर कहूँ.
नहीं.
No.
ओपनिंग.
Entry होती है.
ओके. ये पिक्चर के ऑलरेडी 4 पार्ट्स बन चुके हैं.
4 parts हिंदी.
हिंदी.
Okay. Singham.
It rhymes with boom.
Dhoom.
Correct.
Wait, what was the song in Om Shanti Om?
धूम ताना ता धूम ताना ना ना ना.
That's so true. That is the song.
Correct.
Doom 4 is on the way. You heard it here first.
सिर्फ रिक्वेस्ट वाले शो पे.
हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं Doom 4
Four,
बनाओ
बनाओ. Correct.
Okay, इसके पीछे क्या है?
इसके पीछे क्या है?
Yeah. Something के पीछे क्या है?
चोली के पीछे है?
चोली.
हमें
Oh, wait, I
तो-
gave you the song.
हमें तो गाना ही पता चल गया. Killing it.
Okay, oops.
आपको देखकर इंडिया का क्या धड़क रहा है?
दिल.
Correct.
Okay, दिल
We're
धड़कने
so
दो.
self-aware and very modest.
दिल धड़कने दो.
दिल धड़कने दो is a
Title
good song.
track.
Fantastic.
Dance.
नाच.
Yeah.
Oh, नाच मेरी रानी.
Yeah.
आँखों को और क्या बोलते हैं?
Eyes.
हिंदी.
Oh.
उर्दू.
Oh. In Urdu?
किसके सामने जिगर के पास?
Oh God, I know this and I don't know how I'm forgetting this. Nazar.
Correct.
Nazar.
I also gave you this song. This game is.
I don't, and that would be the song. Yeah.
That was a difficult word.
Yes.
Okay, cool. My turn.
Oh, okay. Like a hip thrust,
Hip thrust.
like a Hindi one.
ठुमका?
हाँ.
ठुमका गिरा रे बदरीली के बस. Oh,
Isn't
that's
it झुमका?
गिरा रे. No, I was thinking, what ठुमका?
Okay, it's what Jhumka.
Oh. Uh,
Even I don't know what this. I mean, London Thumakda has
yeah.
a song. Isn't there a lyric about this?
पतली कमर दिलवारों के दिल का करार लो. ठुमकेश्वरी. We'll take
Yeah,
ठुमकेश्वरी.
we'll take Thumkeshwari. It's fine.
ठुमकेश्वरी.
Yeah.
If you जिस इंसान में कोई शर्म हया नहीं होती.
Shameless.
In Hindi.
Oh, Besharam.
Correct.
Isn't it is it Besharam Dil ya
Rang.
Besharam Rang? Haan.
बेशरम रंग.
Yeah, Besharam Rang. I only know it in the context of the songs. Not Diya, but
लिया.
another. Liya, Diya.
किया. पिया.
Oh my god, there's so many words.
जिया.
Jia.
जिया जले जा जले. नैनो तले सुबह धुआं चले धुआं चले.
रात भर धुआं
रात भर धुआं चले.
जानो ना जानो ना जानो ना.
Great job.
So bad.
We did.
We're just telling each other great job.
Great job. I think it was fantastic.
That
I
was
think,
so bad.
I think it was great. Lisa, how was it being on Request Wala Show?
So fun. Please have me back. Because
Of course. Every time you release a song, just come here.
मैं आऊंगी.
आपको आना पड़ेगा.
Wow, love it. I'll be here.
हाँ. Well, लीजा सबको बता दीजिए कि आपका लेटेस्ट गाना आ चुका है और सबको उसको ढेर सारा प्यार, ढेर सारे लाइक्स, ढेर सारे शेयर्स देने हैं.
आपने तो बता ही दिया सबको. But please, you hear it again from me. Please go and listen to Teri Hoon, my newest song. I hope you love it and give it lots and lots and lots of love. It's my first fully independent release. So it means a lot to me if you come and support this song.
अगर लीजा मिश्रा के साथ आपको रिक्वेस्ट वाले शो का ये वाला एपिसोड पसंद आया तो जल्दी से लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Zoom TV.